Hello students, welcome back to today's video class. In the last video class we have started chapter 15, that is circle. In that video I have discussed with you about all the 5 theorems that are given in the first part of this chapter. First one, before we start the exercise 15.1, I would like to revise the theorems once again. The first theorem was that if a line drawn from a center of a circle to the chord is perpendicular to the chord, then it bisects the chord. And the converse, that is theorem number 2, if it bisects the chord, the line which is drawn from the center of a circle bisects the chord, then the line must be perpendicular to the chord also. Then the third theorem, if two chords are of equal length in a circle, then the chords must be equidistant from the center. And the converse of this theorem is, if two chords are equidistant from the center of a circle, then the chords are of equal length also. And the fifth theorem, that is, if we take 3 non-collinear points, so through these 3 non-collinear points only we can draw one circle. Okay, so we can say one and only one circle can pass through 3 non-collinear points. Okay, so these are the theorems that we have done in our last video class. Today I would like to start exercise number 15.1. Exercise number 15.1. So in this first question it is given, calculate the length of the chord which is at a distance of 12 cm from the center of a circle of radius 13 centimeter. So question number 1, first of all we will draw the figure to understand the question. So this is the figure, it is the center of the circle. One chord is given, you have to find this length of the chord, and this chord is how much distance? It is of 12 centimeter away from the center. So we always consider the perpendicular distance. Okay, so always we consider the perpendicular distance from the center, and this radius is also given, that is 13 centimeter. It is given 13 centimeter. Now you have to find the length of this chord. Suppose if you take AB as the chord and this point as M, so here we can see that OM is perpendicular to AB. So therefore AM is equal to MB. Why? Because we have to write the theorem, because without reason we cannot do anything in a geometry. Okay, so if you draw perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. So always you have to write the definitions, a theorem statement properly. So for that you have to learn the theorem from the book. Okay, so in some books the order of the sentence may change, but the fact is the same. So if you want to learn from this book, you can learn. Just I have written all theorems in my way. It is also given in some book, the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord, then bisects the chord. Okay, so you can read it out from your book also. Now, so it is perpendicular. Now you can see triangle AOM is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem you can find the length of AB. So now you can say, right, now in triangle OMA, OA square is equal to OM square plus OM AM square by Pythagoras theorem. So always write the reason why we are doing what is we are taking. So it is 13 square, OM is 12 square plus AM square. So AM is equal to root over 13 square means 169 minus 12 square is 144, that is equal to root over 25. This is equal to 5 centimeter. So AM is equal to 5 centimeter. What is the length of OB? So it is bisect AM is equal to MB. So therefore we can write AB is equal to twice of AM. So 2 into 5, that is equal to 10 centimeter. So this is the final answer, length of the cord. We have got the length of the cord. So in this way we have to find this. Few questions are here, same type of question up to question number 5. They are having the same type. Somewhere you will get the radius and this line is given, you have to find the shortest distance. Sometimes these two are given, shortest distance and the bisection of the chord. You have to find the radius of a circle. So ultimately the concept is the same. You have to follow. You have to write what is the conditions given in the question. Then you have to write what you have to find. For that, what theorems we are taking. You just write this statement and start doing the sum. Okay students, hope you have understood this question. Now I am going to do question number 6. Very important question. In this question it is given as in a circle of radius 5 cm, AB and CD are two parallel chords of length 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Calculate the distance between the chords if they are on the same side or in the opposite side. So we will draw the figure and we will make the chords opposite to each other from the center. So see. So you have to take the chords. The length of the chords are given. The chords are of equal length. No, one is 8 cm. So one you take it as 8 cm, another you take as 6 cm. Okay. After that, now it is given radius of the circle is also given here, 5 cm. It is given 5 cm. Now you need to find these distances. You have to find these distances. Now you take these chords as AB and CD and the point O. Okay. Now what is given here? You have to find the perpendicular distance. So first of all you have to write the statement. So take it as M and as N. So you will write, since OM is perpendicular to AB, this implies AM is equal to MB. Also ON is perpendicular to CD. This implies CN is equal to ND. Okay. So from why we are writing this? Because again perpendicular, same statement, drawn from the center of a circle to the chords, to the chord bisects the chord. Okay. So the statement we have written. So now we will do the sums. Now you join OA and OC and consider the two triangles OMC and OCN. Now first of all you take, now in triangle OMA. What you will get? OM square plus OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square. So by again write Pythagoras theorem. So OA is radius, so it is 5 square is given. Then the half AB OM you have to find, so write OM as it is, plus in place of AB you have to write 4 centimeter, means we can write half of AB square. So it is 25 is equal to OM square. What is half of AB? Means half of 8 square, that is equal to OM square again, cut 4 plus 4 square, that is 16. So again OM square is equal to 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9. Therefore OM equals to root over 9, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So now we have got OM as 3 centimeter. Similarly, you have to find the length of ON. Now write, now in triangle ONC, so OC square is equal to ON square plus CN square. So again what we have got OC, you have to got 5 centimeter, that is radius. You have to find ON, and CN is again half of CD, that means 3 square. So you can write here also the CN is equal to half of CD. So here also you will write Pythagoras. So now ON square is equal to 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. So ON is equal to root over 16, that is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. So this is 4 centimeter. Now we have to find the distance between these two chords if they are on the same side of the center. If it is same side of the center, that means 8, then 6 centimeter will be much upper side of this AB. That means the distance between them is very small. That if it is total 4 and this is 3, then the distance between them is only 1 centimeter. So here we can write number 1. So 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1 centimeter is the answer. Means they are on the same side. Now if they are on the opposite side, that already we have in the figure. So distance between the AB and CD is 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So it will be 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the answer. So these are the two answers of this question. So in this way you have to do this question up to question number 9. The similar types of question you will get. Now you have to go through this question. Okay. Now another question I am going to do, that is question number 10. Question number 10. In this question it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle inscribed in a circle, where if AB and CD, these are the two sides whose measure are given 12 root 5 centimeter. The base BC is given 24 centimeter. You have to find the radius of the circle. Question number 10. So first of all you have to draw a circle. So in this circle, inside it there is an isosceles triangle like this. Okay. Now the sides, equal sides of isosceles triangle is given. This is A, B, C. AB and AC are 12.5 cm, 12 root 5 centimeter. It is also 12 root over 5 centimeter. And the AB is given, BC is 24 cm, base is also given 24 centimeter. Now this is the, suppose this is the center of the circle, and if you draw an height like this, which will pass through the center of a circle like this perpendicular, you take it as O. Okay. Now you have to find this radius. How will you find? You have to find this radius also. You can take OA, OB, OC, all the three radius you can take, and you have to find this. How will you find this radius? Now what you will do first of all, we will find the length of this height AD. So it is isosceles triangle. Now you can find the area of this isosceles triangle also. First you find the area of the isosceles triangle. So how will you find? What is the formula for B by 4 root over 4A square minus B square. So what is the base here? 24 by 4. Then 4 into, equal sides are 12 root 5, 12 root 5 square minus 24 square. Okay. So 4 1 is 4, 4 6 is 24, it is 6 here. After that 4 into 12 square is 144. So 144 into root 5 means square is 5. So 144 into 5 is 0 2 7, 7 20 plus 20 minus, it is minus 24 square means 576. So it will be 6 into 0, 4 2 is 8, it's 28 minus 576. Now you subtract it. Root over 10 minus 6 is 4, it is 7, 7 minus 7 is 0, then 8 minus 5 is 3 and 2. Now you have to find the square root of this number. So 2304, find by 4 4s are 16, this is 74, it's 8. We are finding the square root by division method. I hope you know how to find it. So now you have to 4, it's my 8. 8 8 is 64, 4, 8 is 64, 70. So we have got the perfect number. So it is 48. 6 into 48, that is equal to 4 is that 64. 4 8 is 48, 8 carry over 4, 4 6 4 is then 6 4 is 24 plus 4 is 28. So 288 centimeters square is the area. Now you have to find height. You know also area of a triangle is equal to half into B into H. Since we have to got the area from this formula of area of an isosceles triangle. Now to find this height, what you will do? We will find by half into B into H. Also you can write also area of a triangle is equal to half into B into H. So area is here 288 is equal to half into, what is B here? 24, and you don't know how. So it is 12. So height is equal to 288 by 12. So 12 4 2s are 24. Remainder is 4, 48. So 12 4s are 48. So height is equal to 24 centimeter. Height is also 24. Now you take radius as R, and if this total length is 24, then what is OD? OD is equal to 24 minus R. So therefore you can write here OD is equal to 24 centimeter. Now assume, now you do, let radius be R. That means OA is equal to R. So what is, if OA is equal to R, what is OD? So OD, sorry, it is AD. OD is equal to AD minus OA. So what is AD here? 24 minus R. OD is 24 minus R. Take it as, leave it like this already. And this OB is also radius. So now take, it is also radius. Now, since OD is perpendicular to BC, that means BD is equal to half of BC, that is equal to half of 24, that is 12 centimeters. That's the same reason the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle bisects the chord. Okay, so I am not writing here the statement, theorem statement, just to know. Already we have done already 2 questions of that statement. Now, consider this triangle ODB. Triangle ODB, obviously it is right angle triangle. So here you can write OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. So what is OB? OB is radius, so R square. What is OD here? OD we have got 24 minus R. So write 24 minus R whole square. And what is BD? We have got 12. So write it here, 12 square. Now you open the bracket, so it will be R square is equal to 24 means square means 576 minus 2 4 is 48 R B 2AB plus B square, that is R square plus 144. So here is plus R square, here is also plus square, so it will be cancelled. Bring this 48R to left hand side, so it will become plus 48R, and we add them. 0 plus 4 plus 6 is 0, 10. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 1 carry over 1 is 12, 2 carry over 1. 1 plus 5 is 6 and carry over 1 is 7, 720. So R is equal to 720 by 48. Now you do the cancellations you can. So take by 12, 12 4s are 48 and 12 is a 60, so 4 is 15. So therefore we got radius is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is the answer. In this way you can do this sum. So very short question, very single line, 2-line questions, but the process you have to follow so many things here. You have to follow the area of the triangle that we have done in the mensuration chapter. Then you have to do the circle chapter. You have to do the Pythagoras also. You have to do the algebra also. So many things are in this question. So this is one of the very important question that I have selected to make you understand. Okay students, hope you have already enjoyed this video and understood what I have explained you today. So go through these chapters once again and please solve these questions. Then only you can you will be able to do properly, as you have done very poor result in your half yearly exam. So we think you will do better in your next exams. Okay students, thank you very much.